Hey everyone, welcome to Creepy Tales TV. So this is a raw video, just me talking about why I decided to create this channel. I wanted to keep it real and share my passion for all things creepy and mysterious. No fancy edits, just a genuine chat. So why horror and creepy tales? So I've been fascinated by stories that make you look over your shoulder, that send chills down your spine, or not just the usual jump scares, but the kind of stories that stick with you. Legends, true stories, and those dark parts of history that most people forget or don't want to talk about. So Creepy Tales TV is all about exploring those unsettling moments, whether it's a haunting or terrifying legend or a modern creepy encounter. So I want to bring these stories to life for people who love that thrill. So it's for anyone who enjoys the airy, the macabre, and the mysterious. People who wants to dive into the dark side without any sugarcoating. For me, so it's more than just storytelling. So it's about community. I want to connect with other horror fans and share a space where we can explore fear safely. So my goal is to create videos that not only entertain but keep you thinking long after they end. Plus, it's a niche I feel I can grow with and keep creating fresh, exciting content. So if you're into creepy tales, spooky stories, or just want to get your scare fix, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. So thank you for watching this raw chat. More chilling content is coming your way soon. Stay safe or don't.